law of gravitation. The question is the gravitational force between two masses is F. Okay, so it is the first case in this question. Okay, next is if the distance between the masses is doubled, what will be the new force between them? Okay, first of all, in this question we will see the case first when we have not doubled the distance between them. So that case will be like this. It is suppose m1, it is m2, and distance is here d. Now if we apply here the formula of universal law of gravitation, that is F equal to g m1 m2 upon d square. Okay, here the value of masses are not given. We will take our own term. We are taking here mass of first object is m1 and the second object is m2, and the distance between these two objects is here d. Now we are applying here the formula, that is F will be equal to g m1 m2 upon d square. It will be known as equation 1 in this case. Now the case 2, when distance is doubled, so mass will be same. It is m1, it is m2, and distance will be increased here. So suppose we were taking here d, definitely in this step we will take the twice of d, that is 2d. Now we will apply the universal law of gravitation. F equal to g m1 m2 upon d square. Now let us see one more thing. Suppose it is F1. Let us consider it as F1 first case force. Now the second case force we are taking is F2. Now we will put here the values. F2 will be equal to g m1 m2 upon. Now we will place here 2d at the place of d, square of this. Now F2 will be g m1 m2 upon 4d square. Okay, because we have squared the denominator and we are putting here at the place of d 2d, because d is what? D is the distance between these two objects, but the distance here is 2d. So we will put here twice of d, because according to the question distance is double. Now focus on this part. F2 will be equal to, we can write it as 1 upon 4 g m1 m2 upon d square. Close it in bracket. Now from equation 1 we can see that the value of g m1 m2 upon d square is equal to force F1. Okay, so we can put here by equation 1 force F2 will be equal to 1 upon 4 the force of F1. Okay, we can clearly see here that whenever we increase the distance between the object, definitely the resulting force will decrease. So if we have twice the distance in this case, that is 2d, so the resulting force will decrease, because if the force in this case is very high, because distance is less, definitely in the next case the force will be 1 by 4 of the first case force. Okay, force will decrease. Okay, so it is the relation between in this case. Okay, we can simply, if you are not getting it from here, now let us suppose in this case the force was 20 Newton. So what will be the force in this case? Definitely 1 by 4 of this case, the resulting force will be 5 Newton, because we are putting here 20, and if we cut 20 by 4, definitely the new force will be 5 Newton. Okay, it was the example to understand this question. Here we will solve another question of gravitational force of attraction. So the question is, the gravitational force between Sun and Jupiter is approximately 4 into 10 to the power 23 Newton. If mass of the sun is 1.99 into 10 to the power 30 kg, the mean distance of the Jupiter from the sun is 7.8 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Find the mass of the Jupiter. We need to find out the mass of the Jupiter. First of all, we will write here the given terms. That is given here the force between Jupiter and sun is 4 into 10 to the power 23 Newton. And the mass of the sun, we will represent it as ms. Mass of sun 1.99 into 10 to the power 30 kg. The mean distance of the Jupiter from the sun is, distance is also given here, that is 7.8 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Find the mass of the Jupiter. We need to find out the mass of the Jupiter. Okay, so again, first of all, we need to draw here the diagram of this particular question. Suppose it is Jupiter and it is sun. Okay, so distance between both of these is given, that is d, and the mass of the sun is ms we are considering, and mass of the Jupiter is mg. But the value of ms is given, but the value of mg is not given. The force between both of these is F is also given. So let us apply the formula of universal law of gravitation that we know is F equal to G ms mg upon d square. Value of F is given, that is 4 into 10 to the power 23 Newton. Value of G we know very well, 6.67 to 10 to the power minus 11. And mass of the sun is 1.99 to 10 to the power 30 kg. Into, we need to find out mass of Jupiter. And the distance is 7.8 into 10 to the power 11 is already given. So start solving it. We need to find out mg. Definitely this will come here. 4 into 10 to the power 23 multiplied by 7.8 into 10 to the power 11. And this term will come in denominator. 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 multiplied 1.99 into 10 to the power 30. And here only mj will left. Okay, and here it will be square. Okay, because it is distance. So just write down it. Maybe write it 2 times. 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 multiply by 1.99 multiply by 10 to the power 30. Again we will solve the power of 10 first. Okay, so you can clearly see here this one and this one. It will be 10 to the power 11 and 10 to the power 11. It will be like 10 to the power 22, 10 to the power 22 and 23. It will be 10 to the power 45 upon. Here is 10 to the power minus 11 and 10 to the power 30. When we will add it, it will be like 10 to the power 19. And multiply here, what is left? 4 multiplied by 7.8 into 7.8. And in the denominator side, 6.67 into 1.99. So when you will solve 4 into 7.8 into 7.8, you will get a value that is 243.36 upon 6.67 and 1.99. We know that 1.99 is approximately equal to 2. Okay, is approximately equal to 2. So when we multiply by 2 in 6.67, it will be 13.34. Multiply by, it is in denominator side, it will come on the upper side. 10 to the power 45 multiply by 10 to the power minus 19. Student, when you will divide 243.36 by 13.34, you will get a result that is 18.24 multiply by, here the base is same, so we will subtract 19 from 45. What we will get here? We will get here 26. Okay, we were calculating here mj, okay, mass of Jupiter. So we have calculated it here. And what will be the unit of this mass? We know the unit of mass is kg. So the mass of Jupiter is 18.24 multiplied by 10 to the power 26 kg. So it will be the mass of Jupiter.